Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview API for custom indicators. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the API documentation. So you can go ahead and access the API documentation by clicking on the API button that's on the TradingView dashboard. And then step 2 will be to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters. So go ahead and learn about the API's endpoint and parameters for custom indicators. And step 3 will be to use the API to create custom indicators. So go ahead and use the API to create this custom indicators, and that's going to include calculating and plotting the indicator values. The fourth and final step will be to use the custom indicators for technical analysis and trading now that you've created it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the TradingView API for custom indicators. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the